Brian back with a Bitcoin update. I got some pretty bullish stuff to show you on this chart. Things are looking definitely pretty good for this thing, and we're going to break it down here in a second. I want to show you a little bit of news first. Coinbase is adding DeFi apps Uniswap and Aave to its Base blockchain. It says down here that Coinbase is busy bringing decentralized finance apps Uniswap and Aave to Base, the US listed exchange's Layer 2 network that was launched last month. Coinbase's Base Layer 2 network is built using the Ethereum scaling protocol Optimism and uses Ethereum's native cryptocurrency ETH for gas on the network. Coinbase is in the process of recruiting a bunch of protocols to Base. Uniswap and Aave are two of those, a person familiar with the situation said. They say that Uniswap will probably appear on Base within a couple of months. So that's pretty exciting there. But the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, the market cap is down 3.74%. Volume is up 0.04% over 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is up 0.86%, and the market sentiment is back in fear after being in greed yesterday. So I've been saying I cover a lot of coins, probably, I don't know, 10 to 15 different coins, and I've said this I think every time. I don't know how you can go in greed after 2 green days. I think it was just all the negative sentiment going on and everything. Just to have a couple green days there, people got a little overexcited, but there's a reason to kind of be excited though right now. There's some things we haven't seen for a long time. So these are the biggest gainers and biggest losers of the day. You can see Filecoin's down 20%. I believe these are just nothing major. That's for sure. Normal up and down stuff here. So just corrections. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Going to do a giveaway at the end of the month. Every month I'm going to do it the last day of the month. This month it's 100 ADA. That's Cardano tokens, and Cardano went to $3 the last bull run. So I don't want to really part with any of my Cardano, but you guys have been nothing but great to me, so I'm going to do that as a thank you. Next month might be 100 XRP, but just hit that subscribe button. That's all you got to do to enter. So let's get over this Bitcoin chart here. I want to show you a couple really key things first. First of all, we have a golden cross right here. We had the 50 jump back over the 200 EMA. We had a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and we had a higher low. We lost that with all that bad news with Silvergate, that just all the bad stuff that came in there. But look at this, we've made a higher high, which is number one. You need to have a higher high in an uptrend, and I'm going to break this down here. I mean, the RSI is getting a little overextended. We've had some nice volume coming in, which we definitely want to see in an uptrend to keep that momentum going. I'm going to break this down on the hourly here. I'm going to show you some Elliott waves. Elliott waves are used by traders every day. You can pick out 5 waves all over this market. If you look at a chart, you can see them everywhere. I'll just give you some quick examples here. There's 5 waves right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the 5th one. It's just a little bit higher than that one. There's 5 there. They're all over the place. And another thing, this golden cross hasn't happened since way back in here. The red over the green. We had it in the bull market. That's the last time. Been a long time. So ever since it fell through in January of 2022, we've been riding underneath this thing, and we finally got that golden cross down here. So it doesn't that thing doesn't flip over like that for nothing. So that's good to see. We need that right now. But here's 5 waves. 5 waves are all over the market. You can see them everywhere if you go look. It's just normal stuff. That Elliott waves. They're in trading. They trade them in the big markets. Then you got your ABCs afterwards. There's a big ABC to end the bull market. But we're going to get in here on the hourly and take a look at Bitcoin, what I believe it's doing. This isn't financial advice. I have to say that. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing in anything. So let's take a look at this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, then up top here we had an ABC correction. and this is just a microwave inside of a larger move that's going on here. What I believe, and to invalidate this move, you know, if it takes out this low down here, say 20,000 bucks, just we'll put it right there. If it takes out 20,000, this is invalidated. So, but what I want to show you, okay, these are micro moves inside of a bigger move. Okay, what you'll have on the outside here, this is going to look a little odd because I didn't blow this up a little bit, which I'm gonna just erase this now and go out to the daily and show you what this thing is going to look like. I don't really have I didn't really sit down and figure out a price target here for Bitcoin, but what this 5 waves is going to look like. You see, you could have, what invalidated this move here, see, you could have had 1, 2, 3, but this went down and invalidated it here. It went lower than your wave 2, so that's invalidated. That's no longer valid. So we're starting a new 5 wave system right here, which we're gonna have 1, 2. Your third wave is always your longest wave. 4, and then God knows where this 5th wave will end up. It could go impulsive if we get a lot of craziness coming back in the market, you know. And I'm not saying it's going to go up to 36,000. I'm just giving you an example where this thing could go and what I believe is going on right now. You know, I told you what can invalidate it would be that 20,000 mark. The 1 hour and the 4 hour RSI right now, let's get a look at those. The one doesn't look real impressive. It almost looks like it's rolling over again, which the 4 is just getting reset. So we're going to have a little bit of up action here this evening, I would imagine. By the time this video gets out there, whatever, probably be heading back up. But Bitcoin's holding beautifully up here at right around 24,000. It has great support. So things are looking fantastic. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. And every couple days I like to go over Bitcoin, not every day, but I'm going to keep an eye on these micro movements, and in a couple days I'll update you on this. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch my channel. I very much appreciate it.